Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 74 of the small account challenge, and today my account is up by $56.56 or 2.42%. A good green day. However, today could be an awesome day if I was waiting for a pullback. So first let me show you my calendar for today. Today I didn't average down. Today I didn't hold my loser for over 10 minutes, which is good. You see a green axis, and then you see a red V, which is pretty bad. Holding a loser for over 20 cents. And actually I was holding a loser for over 60 cents, which is very bad. I'm glad I had initial position of 50 shares, and it was on SPRC, and when the stock started climbing higher, I added another 50 shares, then another 50 shares, and I was hoping for the stock to start squeezing very fast. So I thought, hoping to get $1 a share on the stock. However, this first 50 shares, this minus $30 on my position in the beginning affected my whole trading, and I was cautious all the time, thinking that the whole position can turn around very fast, and as it dropped 30 cents like in seconds, it can do it immediately. So I didn't hold my winner today for a long time as I usually do, and today I decided to sell it, then waiting it to squeeze, I don't know, like $1 share, maybe more. So I felt FOMO, and I wanted to buy first on a pullback of the VWAP. Didn't do it. Then I just noticed that as it was squeezing higher. On the first trade I made $34, which is a small amount, and on the other one I made, I don't know, like $20, which is also not a huge amount, considering how much I was putting into the trade. So, however, green is green, not complaining. The only downside of today's trading is when I didn't wait for a pullback and decided to jump with my first position. So indeed, this affected my today's trading, and I'm up by $56.56 because of this mistake. But I'm glad I didn't average down. I'm glad I didn't hold my loser for a long time. And today I was cutting my losers pretty fast, except this on SPRC. So finishing my day, green up $56.56. Right now I'm gonna show you my trader view, and I'm gonna show you my trades. As you can see, today I made 6 trades. I'm up by $56.56, as I said before, and this puts me up on the week $427.92. And I'm up by $230.04 for the month of the September. Still a long way to recover this huge loss, but if you remember, when I was down here over $100 on 23rd, at some point I told myself and that I don't want to be a hero, and I want to continue trading and making $50 a day, slowly but consistently. So that's what I'm trying to do in the next 5 days. Not 5, but that's what I was planning to do in the next 5 days that we have left in the month of the September. This is what I was doing for 2 days from 23rd. $59 here, $56 here, and I'm gonna have also a $50 plan for Friday. This is gonna be a last trading day this week, and we have only 3 days left in the month of the September. So of course I'm not planning to recover all of this enormous loss that I had on 18th, but instead I wanna focus on consistently making $50 a day. So this is my plan, and let me show you my trades today. So as you can see, first I jumped with 25 shares on EVAX, it started moving, and again, I don't think this were good trades because it was just trading around VWAP, and these trades were risky. So on this one I made $2 on 25 shares, but as you can see on this one I lost $4. So, and I was quick enough to cut it. I was actually trying to cut it much faster, but my order stuck, and I had to cancel it and put my order again. So on this trade I made $3.25, and this put me like $1.75 on EVAX. You know, spent like $300 to make $1. So then SPRC, as I said, popped up, and as you can see on this trade I made $34, and on this one I made $21.86, but I wasn't holding the entire position. I was buying, selling here in on this trade. Then I had some money left on SPRC. I decided to try it again. So it did pull back a bit. I decided to jump with 5 shares, and as you can see, it didn't work, and I sold it with 80 cents loss. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning guys, we have 2 minutes left until 7 o'clock, and we have only one obvious stock today, which is PEPG, 100 million stock offering. I don't know, it's just grinding higher, that's it, 164% in a day. Sometimes squeezes can be good, as this one, as you can see. 7:30 is the high of the day. I feel like these stalkers, you need to buy and wait until it grinds higher, so it's probably will be difficult to trade. VWAP at 596. And public offering at $3.20 per share. $7 it's going lower, lower, dumping through 679. I just broke a 20 EMA. Bottoming tail, MACD is negative on 1 minute chart. CWD is on the scanner, the stock I traded. Risky one, 4 million chain link acquisition. We'll see what it wants to do. AVAX on the scanner. Squeezing. I'm buying AVAX. This is not tradable stock. Looks like crazy swings on AVAX. But the AVAX AVAX with news. It moving higher. It moves higher, I'm buying. Bought AVAX. As it moves higher, I'm trying to sell. Terrible trade on AVAX. AVAX is very difficult to trade. Looks like we have tons of sellers. I think I need just to walk away from it. PEPG went as high as $7.70. CWD, as always, way below. PEPG is trying again. We need to break 737. I don't know. SPRC, I see climbing. SPRC is moving higher. I'm gonna buy SPRC. Bought 50 shares of SPRC. We have news. Quantum computing enable modern administrative realm. I'm at 536. I'm gonna add, as it's squeezing higher, I'm adding another 50 shares. SPRC is on the scanner. I'm adding another 50 shares. Added another 50 shares on SPRC. For the move higher, I'm selling, trying to sell. I'm with 50 shares on it. I will be waiting for a pullback on this one. Nice. It was a nice pullback, but I decided not to take a trade. Look at this. Now I feel FOMO. SPRC is 47, 62% in a day. Will we have any pullbacks on SPRC, or it's just gonna continue squeezing higher? Have three big green candles in a row. We'll see if we will have pullback. No, we don't. I'm trying to buy. And I got filled right where I didn't want to get filled. I'm gonna buy this pullback. For the move higher, I'm in with 100 shares on SPRC. At 67% on a day, the stock. If it's gonna move higher, I'm gonna try to add another 50 shares. Now we have a consolidation. Stock is hesitating. I'm gonna sell. I was trying to sell. Canceling my order. I'm adding, trying to add 50 shares. Added 50 shares on SPRC for the move higher. We're trying to break this $7 level. I'm waiting. Can we break? 787, 789, 781. We're moving lower. Don't like it. We'll see if we can move through $7. If we can move through $7, I'm gonna add 50 shares. I'm adding, trying to added 25 shares. As we move through $7, I'm selling, trying to sell. As we move higher, trying to sell. Trying to sell. I wanna try to buy this pullback. Bought 5 shares only. We'll see if it can squeeze. No, it doesn't wanna squeeze. Trying to get out. So, it was a pretty risky trade, especially on this one. I think I was down like 20-30 bucks on 100 shares, can't remember. But I decided to get out of the stock. Not because I thought it's not gonna go, because I was down pretty heavy on this one. So that's why I decided to get out from the position. So, as you can see, I'm up only by $55.31. Not complaining, it's another green day. and I think I made on also like a $1 on another stock. Very happy about it. Of course, if I would have held, someone would say I would be up by, another dollar on 150 shares or wherever I traded. So, and my day could be different, but I also need to keep in mind that if this stock will turn against me, I can be down $150 as well. So that's why I took my profit. Very happy about it. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And please remember, trading is very risky, and my today's results are not typical because most of the day traders lose money in the stock market. So if you want to learn how to trade, first find your strategy and practice the strategy in the simulator before putting real money on the line. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.